In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Pinterest account monthly views in 2026. If you want to keep track of how your Pinterest profile is performing, checking your monthly views is a quick and useful place to start. This helps you understand how many people are seeing your content over time, and it can also give you a better sense of what's working on your account. To begin, go to Pinterest in your web browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the web version, since that's where these analytics options are easiest to access. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open the menu connected to your account. From that menu, select Analytics and then choose Overview. This section is where Pinterest gives you a broad snapshot of your account performance. If you're specifically trying to check your monthly views, this is the area you'll want to focus on because it brings together the main metrics in one place. After the overview page opens, choose your preferred date range. For example, you can select last 30 days if you want a monthly style view of your account activity. This is one of the easiest ways to estimate and review your monthly views without needing to manually calculate anything. If you're comparing performance over time, it can also be helpful to switch between different date ranges and see whether your visibility is increasing or slowing down. Once your date range is set, review the performance data shown on the screen. Here, Pinterest will display important insights such as impressions, audience, engagements, and your top performing pins. If your goal is to understand monthly views, impressions, and audience-related metrics are especially helpful since they show how often your content is being seen and how many people it's reaching. Take a moment to look at your top performing pins as well. This can give you useful context for why your monthly views may be higher or lower during a certain period. Sometimes a single strong pin can bring in a noticeable boost to overall visibility. And that's it. By signing in on the Pinterest website, opening your profile menu, going to Analytics and then Overview, selecting a date range like the last 30 days, and reviewing the performance metrics, you can quickly check your Pinterest account monthly views and better understand how your content is performing.